got a friend named Tommy. He still drives his old man's Honda. He spends all of his money trying to keep the damn thing running. He lost his dad last summer. Tommy was his only son, and it's all he got from him, so he ain't gonna stop. But whatever keeps you going, keeps your wheels rolling, whatever helps you sleep at night and gets you up in the morning. It might be something you hate or you love or you can't let go of, but whatever keeps you going. Well, she just started college, and I guess that she thought it wouldn't be so hard to leave mama back in Michigan. So she drives from Wisconsin way too often just to get a good talking, and drives back again. But whatever keeps you going, keeps your wheels rolling, whatever helps you sleep at night or gets you up in the morning. It might be something you hate or you love or you can't let go of, whatever keeps you going, whatever keeps you going. There's a big old farmhouse about 45 miles south, and it's far enough out that you can see the stars. Well, nothing comes easy, so I work on the weekend, so someday we can make it ours. Whatever keeps you going, keeps your wheels rolling, whatever helps you sleep at night and gets you up in the morning. It might be something you hate or you love or you can't let go of, whatever keeps you going, whatever keeps you going. Lonely people everywhere, every day. Lonely people, nobody wants to feel that way, and it ain't got nothing to do with you. They're still that way in a crowded room. Lonely people like me and you. Some nights are gonna move so slow. Sometimes you're gonna wonder why your heart feels broke. Find a way to let it out, 'cause there's so